You may wish to create an on-demand backup when you're about to make a change to your instance. Go to the EC2 console and find your instance. You should make a note of the instance ID and tags. And now go to the AWS Backup console and click Create an on-demand backup. You should choose the EC2 resource type and enter your instance ID. You should leave all the settings default, except the backup vault, in which case you should either create a new one or use your existing vault. Your instance will now back up. This may take a while. To restore your instance, you can go to the dashboard and click Restore. You simply need to select your backup image and enter the new instance information and click Restore. This may also take a while. Once you have restored the instance, you can navigate to the EC2 console, and you will see that a new instance has been created from the backup. To follow the latest AWS features, be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss a video.